Kala Model Physics 2025 we Ranye Hili Lumlagana welcome sadly. Actually program he Bodybuilders Association of Ukrul BBAUD Aina Healthy Circle Foundation collaborate salaga amba we azingli mayonda klene kwiga gida leda klene program he ara adam na ta haugada ari we ranje he in a matang president Tangkul Naga Ungnaulong special appearance Winso Chamroy ari we natumui bang tan mi khawai PBAUD General Secretary Guider Ningsem KS in ang midale program he zada by Mekawai opening prayer he Reverend Father Michael Kochuparambil Parish Priest and Principal Sacred Heart Humpung Nasamira Jiwichili instrumental Tangkul anthem display he Mr. Jackie Chan Yumnam na Samira Jiwichili welcome address he Todd Mayo Louis Tui President PBAUD na we Adam Kuimira Jigukup Mushida introduction kala presentation he BBAUD aja we organize samida kala BBAUD we shongaina Adam Kuira Jigukup Mushida speech he guest of honor issue we kyashi khangiya guest of honor na Adam Kuira kakhaniali chief guest we speech he itu kwika ku phailaga ungkui aina awi team na special number aka present samira ji present sa ku kahai wichili result for men's physics model physics he declare sara ji wichili speech from L. Robert Maitei advisor Bodybuilders Association of Ukrul na Adam Kuira ji ku mushida women's model physics competition he kwikara Jiwichili special number he Jackie Chan Mr. Jackie Chan Yunam na Adam Kuimira Jiwichili Kanawa competition senior men's bodybuilding competition he Kwigara Jigugu Mushida Bodybuilders Association of Ukrul we Vice President Mr. Kayin Rugui na Ningishitui Mira Jigugu Mushida senior men's bodybuilding competition we result Ji declare Samira Ji declares haka hai wichili khangachang we say ha closing prayer he Reverend Nimle Kamrang assistant pastor UBC na Adam Kwimira he ari itumwi
God our heavenly Father we thank and praise you for this beautiful day that you have brought us all of us together in this town hall for the second Mr. Ukrul Bodybuilding and Model Physics Championship 2025. Lord Jesus, this program is arranged by you, inspired by you for the concerned people. And today, this day has become a reality for the people of Ukrul. Lord Jesus, on this auspicious day, as we are going to witness many things on this dais, and we are going to listen to many people from this podium, Lord, and the guest of honor, and all the people who will be in one way or other carrying out their responsibilities for the smooth conduct of this program, and they may be also blessed by you. Lord Jesus, be with us, be in our midst, that we may be able to carry out everything that is going to kick off from this very moment, maybe through the instrumentality of many people, and that is an inspiration from you. We make this prayer through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Thank you, Father, for imploring the choicest blessings of God for this function. Ningshlagai de fatherly ajawi hopokvai seha itum saiko rali sokhmi bokhmi ubang yaru saiko ro mutun sada fatherly ningishi pongshok dale ara Kakania program sa the instrumental tangkul anthem display he Mr. Jackie Chan Yumnam the Samira Arwiwi anthem he tangkul anthem display saki da klaywi background music he Leishram Boboy the Sankamina. Now let us welcome Mr. Jackie Chan Yumnam on the stage. Yaru saikro na bang pemise. Yaru saikora na tangkul anthem display hilikia kashi kamienang soda saikora nang ningasa. Let us all rise. Ning silakaire, yaru saikor na pamilo. Thank you. Ara, sa damamanda, yaru saikor ali samkapangwi, ringkapa, shalam hi welcome address. PPAUDW President Kyashi Kangiya Kwira Totmayo Lui Tuina Adam Kwimira. So I would like to now request our President, the functional President, to take his time for welcome address. Ishi President Lee Ringapai na sampang kuisada stage li sampang kuisada bang pe Mr. Se yaru sai korona.
Good morning, one and all present here. I am Thotmoyo Litwi, President of Bodybuilders Association of Ukrut District. It's an honor for me to say welcome address for today's event. Distinguished dignitaries on the dais, Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. I.K. Muiwa, IPS, Additional Director General of Police, Manipur. Respected Sir, Union Baptist Church, respected President Tangkhul Nagalong, respected Kayayo, Headman of Hunpun Village, respected A.S. Ong Yung Peter, Headman of Hongpong Village, respected President Tangkhul Shinaulong, President TKS, President TMNL, President HKL, President Thaiso, President RKL, President ZTKL, President Singsho Katam Naulong, President Tangkhul Azay Katam Naulong, and all the district level officers, DLOs, well-wishers, and all the congregation gathered here. I, on my own behalf and on behalf of our association, extend a warm welcome to all the distinguished guests and to everyone present here. Welcome to second Mr. Ukhrul Bodybuilding and Model Physique Championship 2025. Taking full opportunity of this moment, I, on behalf of our association, extend heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest for gracing this occasion as Chief Guest. Notably, he is a God-fearing, sincere, and sports-loving officer who never rejects when something good is about to take place. Thank you so much, sir, for accepting us. May God bless you in your future endeavor. I also would like to thank our guest of honor for accepting and gracing this occasion as guest of honor. In fact, we approached him very late. Still then, he accepted us considering his own children. Thank you so much for being a good father and also being the president of all the kings of Tangkhul community. May God bless you in everything you do. Just before I conclude my welcome address, here is a short synopsis about our association. Our association was formed in the year 2015 and got recognition in the year 2018 under IPPF and AMBA. We have so far produced numerous international, national, and state level athletes. But due to time constraint, I'll not go into detail. Few objectives of our association includes, number one, creating awareness about healthy living. In better words, fitness word. Helping drug addicts to come back to normal, healthy life. And the third one is creating job opportunities to the youngsters. In my conclusion, I am proudly standing here to declare the name of few athletes who was engaged in drug-related activities, but now living a healthy and exemplary life. They are namely, number one, Ongkui Lungharwo of Lunghar Village. He was a slave of heroin for many years, but now living a healthy life. He once bagged 4th place in Junior Mr. India 2024. Number two, Mr. Khanrin Shaiza of Hunpun Village. He was also a slave of heroin for many years. He also bagged 5th place in Federation Cup 2024. Thirdly, we have Bamshang Chahongnao of Tushar village. He's also under the slave of heroin for more than 10 years, but now living a healthy life and normal life. He also bagged. He is the champion of 2024 men's model physique last year. Lastly but not the least, Wortan Lunglo of Ramvu village. He is of mixed drug, not just heroin, tablet, everything. But now, he is under the care of Sir Robert. Today, he's here to compete in junior bodybuilding. With these few words, I would conclude my welcome speech. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Mr. President, for warmly welcoming each and every one of us to this auspicious occasion. The second, Mr. Ukrul, Bodybuilding and Model Physique Championship 2025. Ishi President Lee Ningishi, Chunga Pongshok de Lei, Ara Zadamamanda, Sakmai Kajite, Aka Khani Sangai de Lei, Bodybuilders Association of Ukrul, Na Sakmai Kala, Kajite Mang Maningla, Banglan Aka Khani Sangai de Lei, Jaina, Issue President Lee Akshida Stage Lee Hoga Lungshit Ngai de Lei, Issue President Stage Lee Akshid Kamirano, Kala Ina Karesada, Ajawi Chief Guest. Issue with Maso Sami da Klaya, Kyashik Baya, Dr. Ike Muiva, IPS Lila, Stage Li Hokangai de Leye. Karesada, I would like to request our chief guest, Dr. Ike Muiva, IPS, Additional Director General of Police Manipur. Yaru Saikorona Abang Panglak and Nagapimi Serse. Presentation Yubang Sarna. Teolak ay nang Rangahaya, Ishiwi, Panglan hi. Dahil sila akin nagkakwimilo, isi President Ubang wiay na ng sinahira. Yaru sa ikoro na rin kapapong shoksada, abang kapemi serse. Thank you, sir. Ning silakay re. Teolak salala. PPAUDW panglan na the silakay na kuimigahay juwang. Thank you once again. Kakaniya sada ajawi guest of honor Kuir Kashung Denison President Tangkul Naka Awunga Long. Natum itum saikora na bang pemise sir nala akchida stage likakamira no. He Kuir Kashung Denison President Tangkul Naga Awunga Long we President ne. Ojana la teolak ay na ngaran mihay dak le PPAUDW panglan hi le silak ay na kwimilo. Ning silakay re yaru saikora na la katom kami jubang President nang ning mamandale laga li presentation kala yaru li zakmai ka jathei salu sitaw ke ji hunpun wi awunga khayai wo nanala stage li kamilo ishiwi PPAUDW panglan teolak ay nang ran me da klei ka teo no mang salala le silak ay nang ran me da klei ne nanala ka ngaran khui mirano isi president na presentation di ngaran mirano yaro sai ko na bang bangla kan ka pemi se jiwi mathangli ara humpung wi awunga Oja Peter nanala stage li isi BBA Udina ngaran mi hai panglan hi ke kang ran khui milo ning sinara humpung wi awunga okay ji ari mara peirang akha asam ngaran minau tak tangku nagalong wi president kya shi khingia isi mission kare tangku nagalong wi president nala stage li kamirano kala PPA UT nangran mi hai panglan hi khaka khui milo ning sinara TNL wi president TNL wi president tangku ji skip sai saketaka tangku shinalong wi president tangku shinalong wi president lila zakmai ji thengai de leye yarusai ko ro wi mangali kya shi khangiv ishi wi tangku shinalong wi president la stage li kamirano kala panglan ka khui mirano yaru shinalong wi president jiwi chili tangkul mayarang la long wi radakle tangkul mayarang la long wi president namara salala executive pingra ka shinalong wi ji receive samirano jiwi chili tangkul mayarang la long we na radakle president kala executive akana la ka khui paire tangkul mayarang la long wi president jiwi chili tangkul katam na long wi president tangkul mayarang la long tangkul mayang la long wi aina krane tangkul mayang la long tangkul katam na long wi president Ramray Chan kya shi khungi tangkul katam na long wi president executive tangkul katam na long wi aina radale akhara khui milo okay ji minau ke asama khra adam jili ngaran minau ke jiwi chili healthy circle foundation we President Radle Jena Lila Zakmai Jithen and Soda PPA Udin Banglan Sangai Dele Yarusai Corona Bang Kapemise. He Ajawi, Ishiwi, collaborates Hadakale Foundation Akane. He Ashiwi President. Healthy Circle Foundation with President. Jiwichili, the Empress Hotel with proprietor Mr. Shangam. Lila Yarusai Corona Zakmai Jithen Dele. Mr. Shangam, nanala stage likalaga BPA UT wi panglan hi kaka khui milo. Mr. Shangam Ambrose Hotel wi proprietor. Mr. Shangam hi ishiwi Vice President akala sadale. Yaru saiko na bang phemi serse. Jiwichili CAO Ongtangkul region wi CAO Nalila Zakmai Jithengai de Leye Kya Kashena Nawi Panglan Hila Kaka Milo Ishi PPA UT Nangran Meda Clay Marara Tura Arwi Atamchang Limarang Lumra Tula Arwi Kapi Gida Clay Hi Awi Anau Mayara Karalake Yarusai Korana Pang Pemi Serse Ning Shilagai Re จากไม้จะเทคนิ่งชิลาใครเลยนิ่งชิลาใครฮินะอารุยวิวังว่าฮินะขังจังอ่ะกุบซาสาเกขังเตยอาชมาโปรแกรมเวลงดีจะเทคมีมันกันโอเคก็เลยจะลิงก์โซดาโปรแกรมฮิลีอาค่ะถัดไกลเลยเลยเจนมันจะถัดกับไป Reverend Father Michael อาจจะวิเศษหาสามีคันนี้จะเลยมีท่าเขาการี Now we would like to give out a small token to Reverend Father Michael Kochu Parambil Parish Priest and Principal Secretary Hung Pung Father please accept a humble gift a small token but with lots of love Father na in palakay na kuy kami bang ning shlakay de kala kangajang wi se ha sami kita klaya kya shi kangiya Reverend nim le kamrang okay ojali wa shama minaw ke ning shlakay de Mr. President lumla ka haya sangkapang tui hangkhang mimang maningla hita da yaru sai korali aja ki barang rum mi da le kla ka ji hi tiomai kha chithai ma man hai re ning shiye na tum sai korali la du shita second Mr. Ukrul bodybuilding and model physique championship 2025 li PPAUT wi mutun sa da welcome sa da le ka ji hi hang shon ngai ning shla gai re ara cha dama man da speech itum li matu mi khawai aja wi guest of honor kya shi khangiya kuir ka shung tenison President Tangkul Naga Awunga Long na Adam Kwimira Jaina Kiashi Kangi Oja Nana Nawi Adamji Kwimilo Yaru Saikorana Ojali Samkapang Ringapa Samkapang and Soda Bank Pemi Serse
Second, Mr. Ukrul Bodybuilding and Model Physics Championship 2025 Program Hilirang Rumghai Itumwi Kyashigapaya Kalalegisia Queer IK Muiva Dr. IK Muiva IPS Additional Director General of Police Manipur functional with President Thot Mayo Litwi class program hili shuruk ngatai ngatada kuingrum hai psychorally iwi khayagisi midele kala program hili rangrum hayang sonoping kathana ping longnoping psychorally tangkhul naga awunga Ukrul District Bodybuilders Association Ukrul District we presidential address li thayar kotong na shair tangkhul naga awunga long we mathunani ta hangai the most beautiful person in the world is the one who makes others happy is he ashiu association li I want to give that word Kernau bing na itum li hanga hai as a paniungrum ngai kernau bin itum nganui de le ka hang terhi thangkha lo laga mangrakho da hang jang itum ba sisang lakmane terhi lo laga aman sang mai kap kji lan hi paisa mani mu kho ogo thiwi odyur aman ka sakji mani mu kho da hang ka khi hang thu sa khama tha hi na itumwi aman sang mai kap kji lan nei most valuable assets mikumu wi chini da hang jang masi sang mane kha ko tong ji khipana thai ka za ga ya mi pa ka zat le ga mi pa jana o go thili aman sang mai kap kji hi phasa khama thai hi lan nei da hang mi ga hi mushung nge kji hi hospitali pidikhle ana phnyung ra ngai bava rawi temsak itum masakhai hai se rawi temsak itum mayon se itum wi phasa khama tha ga ji hi amang ina raga pailam ning ni itum natural sa khami yengsang khami ga ji targa sai sa da khlai mang da khlai sai ko ri hi phasa ma tha khwai wang chai mang kha itum phasa ga ma tha aman sang mai thui ga ji len asset ji itum lei gai ne ga ji ka to mui yu pakra chili itum sharu ka ha ka khui be ga ji hangai az Ukhrul district hili body building step apong di ngchon nak re ga hi hang da ga wayau ge da tum psychorally az hi kham hai chim so ringa pha chim so ngasala gra no ning sinai re
ning shlak hai re phasa khamatha hi lan ne kjiwi pongli rin sit aina phasa pha kha ot ka chung ka sabai ning na wangai sala la phasa mam tha kha itum ki kama saram ne itum na theisere khya shi khangi ya ishiwi case of honor queer ka shung tenison na itum di mathalak aina matui mi haire itum wi sadak le hina miling a khunta khawai maning la kha mili ring pha khawai itum na ka sa sa khawa sai ko ra hina mili rai sang khawai la sa se ka ji hi chida da hang ji phun ngai da le ojali la du shida yaru sai ko ra na mahang sal la ina yaru sai ko ro mathun sa da ning shi haire ka ji phong shok ngai da le ara ka khania sa da ishiwi khya shi khangi ya chief guest we ai nei thum na khangna sampang re chena Dr. IK Muiwa IPS Additional Director General Police Manipur na atam khimira so I would like to now request our chief guest to take his time for the speech yaru sai korona sir disam ko phang ring ka pha phong shok sa da bang pe mi sir se
ngay được lệ dignitaries kala chiu along jeli ina katheli kala chiu along jeli ina katheli jim hi khamataya ng sarar ji da I phaning e jena jim hi khamataya ng sarar ji da I phaning e jena jim la kahaga shok faida jimla kahaga shok faida illa thata machuke government we khangchon ga dai na labai kijik tha we na gla salaga jim kahaga la shok ka farada jiwa longjili aru hili mi chatbur khangte lewda English in the language dum to yoge I really appreciate Robert Leshangtem who is the proprietor of Royal Gym how he has promoted this bodybuilding and fitness in Ukhrul in a very professional way I've been watching his reels, his updates, and there's a need for bringing a fitness revolution in Ukhrul. Our youth has so much potential to compete in whether in bodybuilding or in sports, various sports, and all these are related with exercises in the gym also. And I just want to point out on this occasion that health and fitness, which is so important, that I want to point out that fitness is beyond health. Health is that you are having a good health, just generally that you are healthy. But the chances of you becoming unhealthy in the future is very high if you are just simply healthy. But if you are fit, that means you are exercising when you are having good health. Then you will develop muscle. And that muscle has been discovered by so many doctors, scientists, researchers that diabetes, let's say. And even in the health of the brain. According to so many findings now, which we all come across in the social media and this and that. Jiwi Vangina in a Akanava Itumili Kamangaza. Kala the antisocial behavior Gata travel the Glehi. Higata Hila. Jim we culture he developed the Sadam Tran. Itumi Kanu taught being Hila. Drug Gata Kala and the Kamri Puiwat, Zam Labai, Aglabai. Higata Dong Wena Ngak Shawrzi he was the Sankahaga lay. Jiwi Vangina in a Tada Ariwi, Jimwi, Aka, Kamatuk Aga, Ukruli Aruan Radaglehi, Jingum Kani to my long hilly, Jiwi Manglila, Hawaii Saka, Jingum Kani to my long hilly, Itumui, Ukruena, Shuna Labai, Miana Labai, national level, state level, national level, competitor Shokmamandaglehi, Kala even internationally la, Tada participate Sapokai. The he in the right direction ni the hangai. Natum serious sala in saka natum national level lil by international level lil by compete salaga medal la samang rasara. Kala in a now make up the hangai baba medal ji national state liam nimgo national line tada beyond international lil by medal gra samang ka. That the issue department lila. What pum gadala issue samang vaiji in a John Miragzi he li ari hui atamili in a hangshok idle. Jaina itum hiwi health and fitness hili. Katong and a katomi say. He can you talk mang women ne kernal labai, kasarnal labai, shunal labai, mianal labai, katonga he to some way or the other. Itum hiwi.
Ingslagere Yarusaikora. Once again, thank you, Dr. Ike Muiva, IPS, Additional Director General of Police Manipur. Nana Aje Itumwi Maragli Hita the Kyakalagana later Klena Wapam he we ain't to me hiaka Atam Kushoklaka. Rakasatsang Migay Juvang, Ramadu Migay Juvang, Ning Shere Gaji Yarusaikora, Matunsa, the Pongshok Nishit Naidale, Aja Itum, Kajankat, Pasakamata here, Langa Hakalaka Gaji Itum, the Shankwi Serse, or Pasama Mataka Itum, Lan Kangateka Junkale Salala, Shiman Hai Bai, Pasakapahi, Lan Lagne, Itum we Naungara, Itum we, or Sotna Bing La Katom, Tailak and the Katoming Roxe, Pasakapa, Kashem Hili, Itum. Ning yang hor sang laka katom roxe kaji hi natum saikorali shalam khamyan so the PPA UTW lumla ka hai la dushida shalam midale the dushida. Thank you very much, respective chief guest. Ara jili mata chao rang laka. Before we proceed on to the next program ka tiana ka atang introduce masami kaji akale hawe jen natum li ji hang ji thengai da le. We would also like to introduce one Itum we muragli declare he Ari Kata declare he Kishan Nebramne Ahi International Church Akane. Kakanyali itum we along hili media partners, kala event partners, like Chung later lay Kata Salala, Kangday Ping Jimarang Rumra Ture. Even if they have not come, we would like to read out our event partners. Jiva Manipur Nutrition Home, he lay to me event partner Sadale Kakania Sada KR Nutrition, he lay to me event partner ne Kala NS Nutrition, he lay to me event partner Sadale Kala Jiling Soda Tio Fuel House, Mr. Rimach, Mr. Rimach Nalay to we are Bumlirang Room Delaye. One of our event partner is with us, so we also would like to request Mr. Rimach, the proprietor of the Tio Fuel House, to receive a Kangatay Bingji Hangmi Mamanao Kikitaye. Ara Jiling Soda Atang in a Hang Shokai Laga Mami Shokran Gaji Akale Fuye Jia, Tankul Gadamnal Saklong, we President Ramajan Kaishing Nanala. issue president we na teola kai nang ran me da khle ki fi kha ka khwi milo Mr. Ramrichan TKS we president nalila chakma ji thei en ka ji thei nang so da presentation mi ngai da le ye la sathai la ka hai khorok mathala ka hai ya vare na talent mi da yaru saiko ro le ning mayung ngasa kha shapa mi khya shi khangi wa kharang rum hai de Jaina Windsor Chamroy Lee itum welcome Sakwise. Now I would like to call Windsor Chamroy on the stage for the special appearance. Sai corona bang pemi serse. He Windsor Chamroy ne.
Check. Hello, check.
It's so easy to fall in love. It's so easy to fall in love. People tell me love's for fools. Here I go, breaking all the rules. Seems so easy, so easy, so.
Rechang lak en pam da khle liter mukui neng en mang sang that le. Winso na we rock shot kamatha yaru saiko ra le ning khamayung ngasang sagai de ning mayung lak en thum lang na khwe de yaru saiko rak si da Winso wa bang phe mi se. Once again thank you Windsor Chamroy for the special number. Ara before we proceed on to the competition I would like to request all the judges to take their place and I will be handing on the mic to the judges. All the judges, please step forward and take your seats for the competition. At the meantime, as I have already reminded before, junior bodybuilding competition athletes, please get ready. Now I would like to hand over the mic to Mr. Robert.
A very good morning to one and all. Okay, yarui ka tong khana athang en ngarai dakhle main event Juniors Bodymo Vice President Amwa All Manipur Optical Association Executive Committee Member Amba Chairman cum Founder El Amma Gym, the first gym affiliated with Amba established by Maitei Pangal. I would request Sir Mazibu to take seat number 1. Let's give a big round of applause. On judge number 2 seat, I would like to call our brother, I used to call him brother, Leichombom Jemson, the proprietor of a gym and international players Taraka Shemigahai Ozakhani, plus he is the youngest. Okay, Stage Marshal na players bing chi atung kha kang asak miao lo. Junior bodybuilding category. Raise up your hand. Okay, avu aina introduce sara sage. Isi players bing na introduce samamanda apangkha khangka miaulo. Yari ka tong hana. Trunk number 3, P Temrayo from Parung village. Trunk number 5 from Rampoi Kovirngam Chinir. Trunk number 6, Naure Them Kapudang from Langli village. Trunk number 7, Worchipem Situng from Huimi Thana village. Trunk number 8, Varengakmung of Tainem village. Trunk number 9, Sarmathing of Rayotang. Trunk number continuously for 6 years. Number 4, Edik Chingkum Thorup Sasaye, and he was into rehab for 3 years. And his body is only for 2 months. Let's give a big round of applause. Okay, Stage Marshal na. Trunk number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na. Mangaling aning miaulo. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 18 hina. Kunukling aning miaulo. Ako'y judges mayam na top 5 kapangkhui khawai ngaran ping dalai. Top 5 kapangkhui khawai. Juniors bodybuilding. Okay, face the judges. Anatomical assessment, front view. Anatomical assessment, front double bicep. Flex. Icha winning the chang trunk number 8 na vau mi paire. Simkur ram nau ngasot nau chang lala. Support sak vai. Relax. Second pose, front leg spread. Flex. Relax. Third pose, any side chase with your calf and hamstring. Flex. And flex your back double bicep. Flex. Relax. Next pose. Pull your calf muscles, tight your glutes, flex, back leg spread. Flex. Relax. About turn, face the judges. Abdominal with your calf and thigh muscles. Flex. Relax. Last pose, your favorite pose, most muscular pose. Flex. Relax. Trunk number 1 to 6, go back and join the line. 7 to 18, please come forward. Relax. About turn. Compulsory poses. Front double bicep. Flex. Relax. Next pose. Front leg spread. Flex. Relax. Next pose. Any side chase with your calf and hamstring. Flex. Relax. Next pose, any side tricep with your calf and hamstring. Flex. Yarui na ichai cha win number ning ka chang vo. Relax. Next pose, back leg spread. Flex. Relax. About turn. Next pose we have abdominal with your calf and thigh muscles. Flex. Ichai cha winning chang malay thurla. Relax. Next pose, your favorite pose. Most muscular pose. Flex. Relax. Relax. Trunk number 7 to 18, go back and join the line. Judges, any Ari top 5, he went a top 5 kapang kwigi kachini.
(8177) nana side kasami lo the request sadale chena kari mububajina akshida side kasami orono.
Okay. I would like the trunk number to come forward. Trunk number 1, come forward. Trunk number 3, come forward. Trunk number 5, come forward. Trunk number 6, come forward. Trunk number 18, come forward. Ari stage marshal na. Stage marshal na kunuk we players bingchi. Kunuk we players bingchi. He walk in a tadaka kuita mi say hard luck, better luck next time. But everyone is regarded as champion who are here to participate. Yarwi ka tong kana makapang kui salala apang ka pang daka. Appreciation. Trunk number 3 is here, 6 is here, 5 is here, 18 is here. Trunk number 10, please. Trunk number 10. Trunk number 10. Trunk number 10. Trunk number 1 and 10, 1 and 18, stay back. 3, 5, 6, 10. Masidagi ani kanbiro. Hiwi mati wi na. Asi oza ahum kanbi ke ba ahum. Sidagi ahum kanbi ke ba 3. Hiwi na kathum selection sagi ke chini. Only 4 mandatory posts. 4 compulsory mandatory posts. Come on. Front double bicep. Flex. Relax. Next pose. Any side chase. Flex. Relax. About turn. Abdominal with your calf and thigh muscles. Flex. Relax. Trunk number 10, 6, 5, 3. Go back and join the line. Ari hili judge kathumwi mark teli hi iwa pangli le yare judge kathum na khami hi rip ngarai cha dale. The top 5 selected athletes for the final round. Trunk number 1 come forward. Trunk number 18 come forward. Trunk number 5 come forward. Trunk number 6 come forward. Trunk number 10 come forward. Thank you. Stage Marshal, please take down. Okay. Ichai Chana, please stand in line. 4 mandatory poses. Okay. Okay. Judge Bing na, Judge Mayam na. Back view, flex, back view, flex. Relax. About turn. We'll have only 4 poses. Judges will select all the athletes and rank them from 1 to 5. Only 4 poses. Front double bicep. Flex. Relax. Second pose. Side chase. Flex. Relax. About turn. Pull your calf muscles, tight your glutes, hamstring, back double bicep. Flex. Relax. About turn. Abdominal with your calf and thigh muscles. Flex. Relax. All the athletes, go back and make a line. If they need any waters, you can give them. Cue music. Cue music. Arui. Mi avu na 1 minute freestyle pose sare. Chiwi marking chi isiwi judges bing na ranking ba tiso da mira sare. Trunk number 1, please come forward. Trunk number 5 at the center of the stage. Your time start now.
you need an OG that can do you the best in the worst way. Pop it like a go-go.
Stopped. Go back and join the line. Trunk number 6.
We're living together, but still it's farewell. And maybe we'll come back to earth and tell. I guess there is no one to blame. We're leaving ground.
Trunk number 10 at the center of the stage. Music, please.
Went from Mr. 305, Dade County, to Mr. Worldwide, all around the world. And now, we're international. So international. International. So international. You can't catch me, boy. Can't catch me, boy. I'm overseas at about 100 G for show. Don't test me, boy. Don't test me, boy. Cause I rap with the best for show. 305 to the death of me. Cremate my body, let the ocean have what's left of me. But for now, forget about that. Blow the whistle, baby, you the referee.
Put it down like New York City. They never sleep. Wild like Los Angeles. First Tennessee. Wild more than Miami. I will believe.
The women is sweet, been all around the world, but I ain't gon' lie, there's nothing like Miami's heat.
You put it down like New York City. They never sleep. Wild like Los Angeles.
Okay. Trunk number 18, please come forward. At the center of the stage. Cue music, are you ready?
Northroad made this.
Relax. Ari ranking iwya pangli rai re. Oja khanina ngarai cha da mi ye oja akhana first second che katyo khangati, but since this is odd number isi khanga cha hina jury hi to make the necessary arrangement. cái gì nó nặng chút phải có hậu bây giờ này nó gì mi còn whom do you want to let them give the prize on stage hậu phiêu luôn
itu mui program ho ko phok jili mara thu kita mara jangrar thu kita ari ranang da lei akakhani chaina khya shi khangi issue wi hunpun wo issue wi khayai woli stage li miya khani li banglan mi khwai request sangai da lei chaina khayai wo na stage li ka mi no kala thaiso wi president Mr. Hubert nala stage li zakmai ke jithe nang soda zakmai ke jithe nang soda Panglan ketiau nong ran mi heda lei jen jika kui mirano. Thaiso we president. Thaiso we president. Okay. Jiu Chili HKL we president. HKL we president nala Panglan ka kui mirano yar release ak mic jithe nang soda HKL we president. Please stage li kamilo. HKL president, please stage li ishi kaya wo win the prize ngaran kui milo. Yaru sai kora na bang pe miser se. Kita ada program sada kle hili na tum nala katom ngai re ro katam naw akawi organization sada hita da rak dom kamiwang PBAUD wi ringapa pong shok la jithai da lei ning shla gai re HKL wi president li ka ngrai mi follow akshida ishi hunpun wo Thaiso wi president please Thaiso president la stage li ka laga prize ketian nong ran medley no not prize kif ketian no hang ran medley je na Thaiso wi president na ka khui mi no Thaiso wi president ana show kamine ana donate sa kamine ali tungyang ung shatsang hoi ali la stage li akshida kami khwai request sangai da lei chena ojana la khya ka shena ishi BPAUD nang ran mi ga ngran mi ngai da khle ya teo ka banglan hi khui mi no shatsang enterprise shatsang construction we na ne yaru sai corona bang pe mi se Nings lagai re ya risai korana hon jing jing le da kle it mi price mi shok khwai ara judges bing wi bangli horsang miao re chaina ji ngran mi khwai la ina hita da achewi guest of honor sami da kle ishi ocha tenison kashung nalila hita da request sanga ya ashama banglan jin na khamilo sarna hangmi moronra kala chili itumwi 5th place 4th place khani hi ochana ngaran mirano kala achewi chief guest
okay list I will lay re yaru ina khawao ina ina pakata hi ngarai cha ka mangrai cha kle yengse I would like to call on stage brother Tungyang Brother Tungyang, if you're here, Brother Tungyang, Vaumathot Construction with proprietor, Asatsang Construction with please on stage. 5th place, 4th place, and owner Samire. Anybody, can you tell me 5th place goes to? 5th place goes to trunk number 10 Chingriin Horam of Pauri village. Si sir na yaragadi somda certificates, cased, and died from the Suretech Nutrition. Fifth placed, trunk number 10, Ching Rind. Let's give a big round of applause. And nutrition from Theophil Nutrition, Remarks Maibam, proprietor. Okay. Cycling aning miro Stias Marsan la line semilo. Fourth place goes to Pangda. Fourth place is Ninkabza Simre from Kalhang village.
I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but how your bullets ricochet. Shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, ricochet. You take your aim. Far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium.
Fourth place goes to trunk number 5, Govindam Chinir. From Suretech Nutrition.
Cut me down.
Thank you.
But it's you who have further to fall. Ghost town, haunted love.
Third place goes to trunk number 6. Please come forward.
Raise your voice. Still
Naure Ithem Kapungda.
break my bones.
Brother Tungsang.
Loud, not saying much. I'm bullet.
Please. Chipana champion Kwimrao. I would like to call on stage our respective chief guest, Dr. I.K. Muiva IPS, Additional Director General of Police Manipur. On stage.
Machine gun. Fire like the ones who run.
Judges Katumuyang Chaili. Judges Kanina. Mia Kali Miawe. Judges Akana. Mia Kali Miawe. The champion of this year 2025 junior category goes to trunk number. So let's go with second place. Second place goes to trunk number 1. Let's give a big round of applause. Certificates and all. Bangkok Country Ezekiel from Silent Village. Extreme Fitness Infal Huyaina 18. Waltan Lunglo of Ramvu Village. TC President na trophy milo sir na slash ti chamiruno. Kamanulo manigi ke chini top 5 Shanghai, one of the iconic figure. Sir na ka slash la sang miao lo thampin pin Sir, it is another direction. From the left. From the left. trophy chi isi president and sir na handover kha samilo sir nani khanina players ka tong chi line ling ani ngasak la kha apang kha sing milo champion at the front stage person na kha samilo flex samilo news ni sang kawai ni very good come on yes all the athletes stands apang sing roki ke chini isi bodybuilding wi nyom yarui katong ka athlete katong ka nganing kalo isi wi guest bing na apang sing mila ka thada apang kha khakam milo bodybuilding wi nyom sauta sir na lungthong le kha chang milo side rematch som da lakpio rematch khuta khar paibio let's give you a big hand thank you only the first position step back the rest you may join sim khur ka da lai ka atung le kap ka la ka amunam pai word han lunglo wi sim khur lai ka atung ka kamilo photo session ngalang da teammates oja atung ka la ka mu ka pai re keep your trophy azing the trophy thank you ari sim khur kamilo sim khur bing kamilo kha thak se next we have men's model physique get ready men's model physique hibak yang lo thank you ning siere sim khurna la awi price kha khangta milo khanga chon milo
ning slagai re arwi wiji junior bodybuilding competition we result la declare samiere judges being kala athletes being li PPAUD we na ning shik chung phongshok dale ning slagai re ara itumna zadamamanda special number hi akha yang room kvaisa se Jana Sylvia and team please take your time the stage is yours Chingram Muhunda Laga, he will nextly open men's model physics. Sarah, Jenna men's model physics, open men's model physics with athletes being na ngranmi mamansalo ning shnara.
No girl can't tell me about my mother. 16 shots, we go longer than a ladder. Them no fit talk, but they real done that. Put body in a pot, in my bone like grabber. No boy can't diss me or my mother. To my ladies run this, ladies run this. 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 All of my girls looking good and they got their own money. Pop your shit, this is my girls from the sponsor, they got their own funding. Knock your shit, run through your city, that motorcade. Soon as I enter, they close the gate. Presidential through your residential, bitch, it's nothing. Said fuck your rules as I move them right. Walk in a room and I set the fire. Get a pick, it'll last you long. Whole team, they gassing on us. You sit too far, I don't in charge, so even ask me who's in charge. Riding round, foreign cars, top down, staring at the stars. Attitude, so the stars. Big moves, only extra large. Riding round, Come on, it's gonna be fucking hard. Special edition and your AI couldn't copy. I'm leaving clues in the fitting room and it's hot tea. No, I'm not thinking about no exes, no, they miss me. I got the whole room spinning like it's tipsy. Don't bars, take it to the chorus. Ooh, wanna rock with Jenny. Keep your head down, nails done like Jenny. Ask God, I'm obsessed like Jenny. Like Jenny. I think I really like Jenny. Haters that don't really like Jenny. Cause they can never ever be Jenny. But have you ever met Jenny? It's Jenny. But have you ever met? But have you ever met? But have you ever met? 말 줘도 못해서 cut shit. 포징 한 번에 만들어 mosh pit. They can't deal with me cause I'm priceless. 여러 샐러드 속에 내 DNA. Yeah, out of my way. 바비가 트럭키가 되기 전에. Name string blame tryna bust my bubble. 터뜨려봐 그럼 너 그 노래서만 하는 거야 Jenny. Keep shading. 예술 작품에 paid away frame it. I've slayed it and I'm graded. Yes I'm guilty 잘난 게 Jenny. Ooh, wanna rock with Jenny. Keep your head down, nails done like Jenny. Ask God, I'm obsessed like Jenny. Like. I think I really like Jenny. Haters they don't really like Jenny. Cause they can never ever be Jenny. But have you ever met Jenny? It's Jenny. It's Jenny. Like Jenny. Rock with Jenny.
sak mi wang na shi wi dance troubli PPAUD wi ning shi ku chung ko phong shok sak mi wang na shi wi dance troubli PPAUD wi ning shi ku chung ko phong shok de le hili panglan a khani la sangai lu shi de le next program ma tarang laga Jena Kresa da Windsor Chamroy ishili special number special appearance wang ata la sami ga haive Windsor Chamroy nana stage lika laga ishiwi case of honor sami da kleya khya shi khenge ishi ocha Tennyson kishung wena panglan ka khui milo ningshnara Windsor nana khawau khoni shami da leya ka stage li teo mai khang ran me da kleya panglan hi kha kang ran khui milo ningshnara Windsor Ari Malay tele ma ka asha mangran minau ke ningsh lagai re thaka ara mathangwi competition hi program ati shura chata pai mai khawai itum ngaran maman house chaina itum next week competition hi ara open men's model physique competition hi khika kida klene chaina ara hi khika pai khawai stage marshal kala judges being we bangli horsang miao re. The second competition for today's event is Open Men's Model Physique. Now I would like to request all the judges to once again take their seat for the second competition. Open Men's Model Physique. Open Men's Model Physique Wivang. Competition hiu pok pai kwai. Judges being the Mikey Migadle.
Okay. Open Men's Model Physique athletes 7 nang atakre. 7 athletes will fight for the title. Stage Marshal na khathan ka milo players ka tongali. Stage Marshal na khathak se go one round. Yarui katong na ka apang ka pemilo. Trunk number 22 no we akwili thang dak leche kha khuisok milo Stage Marshal na. Trunk number mathai thura. Okay. Trunk number 19, Pautam Vasum from Razai Kunau. Trunk number 20, Yursem Ngam Kaitang of Pusing Village. Ichai Chawi space Kakui Milo, space Kakui Milo, space Stage Marshal na Yang Milo. athum we post mati mangni hi we ai na top 5 kapang khuire from top 5 they will have optional posts judges na best 5 khanbi na ba ningsing jari okay face the judges aphai khani chi tai kha samilo front view flex relax next pose quarter turn to the right flex relax next pose quarter turn to the right flex relax quarter turn to the right flex relax face the judges so the best front post mangawi mathamai thui baji chithelo flex relax about turn the best back pose kunukwi mathamai thui chithelo flex relax face the judges and please go back and make a line semilo kunuk talaka okay competition hi taf sala ke hililo horchak khanina akhamiye akhananga te dam yere here the top 5 selected athletes to come forward trunk number 19 come forward trunk number 20 come forward trunk number 22 come forward trunk number 23 come forward trunk number 24 come forward thank you trunk number 21 stage marshal nakathanta milo okay take your own space face the judges oza mayam na ranking pi na ba khangjan jari ranking pi na ba khangjan jari ranking pi na ba face the judges front view flex relax quarter turn to the right relax quarter turn to the right relax quarter turn to the right relax face the judges go back and make the line cue music ready samilo taru mangai kha just for a few seconds Cue music, ready? Trunk number 19. Music start.
You keep on running around with other women in town. I've had enough of these games with other women in town. Every night.
Trunk number 20 at the center of the stage. Cue music.
Полевых цветов веночек, внутренний расцвет цветок. Соловья запев, свисточек, сок, березовый глоток. Тишины послушать волю по тропинке в лес густой. Поболтать с березкой вдоволь про него и про любовь. Матушка земля, белая березовика, для меня святая Русь, для других задолжника. Матушка земля, белая.
Thank you. Trunk number 22 at the center of the stage. Cue music.
Sometimes I lay under the moon. I thank God I'm breathing. And I pray, don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't want to fight no more. There'll be no more war, and our children will pay one day.
Trunk number 23, come forward. Cue music, get ready. Your music starts now.
Oh, the way that you pop, girl, makes me go crazy. Show me what you got, girl. You can be my new thing. Oh, the way that you move makes me go crazy. Pick it up now, drop, girl. You can be my new thing. Get sexy, girl. Get sexy.
Okay, the result is with me. I would like to call on stage President HKL Ungsorin Ragwi on stage.
Ali.
Fifth placed Fifth place goes to trunk number. Ichai chau we naungara lai ke siwe nama matuing rock se kamusung tui. Kachipa nama sung mai kle yang se. Well deserved. Trunk number. Trunk number. Fifth place goes to trunk number 24, Thot Mating KA Lung Sang Chingkha. Please come forward. This is Sir Ungsorin Sir certificates. Brother remarks sa matakta kakat pinabading sing jari. Please go on the stage. Sir Ungsorin na certificate ay na KSG Hanover Sami kapay. Fourth place goes to Aja judges na kamichi rip ngarai chare. Fourth place goes to trunk number 22 Senki Bangkong of Silent Village. Sir Ungsorin Raguina case and a certificate hand over sami kawai. Request sadly. Aduga for the food supplement. Now I would like to call on stage the General Secretary Ning Thingmaya on the stage to hand over the third prize. Third place goes to correct. Trunk number 23. Trunk number 23 Ngasingpam Ragui of Tangri. You see TKS certificates, medal. Ay na case sir naka hand over sa Milo. Ibagli kayang Milo. Now I would like to call on stage Sir Kasung Tenosan. Sir na atung likha kami kawai. Trunk number 28 na 19 mangali kha kami lo. Trunk number 99 na 20 atung mangali kha kami lo. Ichai chau we khamtha kha chithai lo. Khipana kui marau. 2025 men's open model physique. Khani rip hi tangkhul naw ni. Khipana kui marau. Khipana kui marau. Okay, judges being nalangarai. China middle second place goes to trunk number 20 of Yursemngam Kaitang of Pusing Village. Isi tangkul naga ungnang along with President Kasung Tenosan na. KSN certificate medals ka hand over sa Milo. For the champion, I would like to call on stage our chief guest, Dr. I.K. Muiva, IPS, Additional Director General of Police Manipur. Isi stage marshal na khas Milo position ji. Fourth place, serial number 22 na hibang aning Milo. The champion of the year 2025 men's model physique goes to none other than trunk number 19 Paudam Vasum of Razai Kuno. Case, certificates, medals. Aina trophy ji hand over sami kawai isi BBAU with principal lakha kamilo. Isi with chief guest ani kanina hand over sami runo first slash seat ka thang sayo please assist slash seat thang mi kawai sir nani kanina. Ari Sir Ung Sorin, Sir Ning Ting Maya, Sir Kasung. Ha, atung kami lo ne sir. Photo session wibang. Okay, all the players come forward. Brother Remark, hand over the podium, please. Accept. Isi stage marshal lakha eren samilo. Kata da nganing re. Okay, all the athletes, apangka khangka milo. Sa ungsun ka mangali akarase, abubu changse. Sir, mangali karase ni sir. Oh. Sa ungsorin, hili changse ne tada. Okay, apang khangka si khut thangat piyo. Let's give a big hand. Ning Siaire, thank you so much. First, step back, photo session. Paudom nakha flex samilo, news wibang. Paudom wi simkur, chinaw ngara, leikha kha atung lika milo. Paudom wi simkur, chinaw ngara, leikha kha thakta atung lika ka miaw lo. Photo session wibang. Atungling aning deklay mem Sony hina. As the biggest event hili. Trophy kani ana donate sami gaini. Let's give a big round of applause. Mem Sony lila. Okay, simkur bing atung kamilo.
Ya recycle pangla kan phe mi se athletes ping, judges ping, shimko ping wang la pang phe mi se. Khayui ma khayui ke ji khang ja ne ka ta sala la na participate sa ka hai ji ke ji wi ming pho ji wa haglak aina PPA UD wi record li history li to jan ne hai mi ke ji ne na tum cycle la du shit PPA UD wi ning shi ke chung ko pong shok da le ye itum program hi majata maman chaurang laka athang chakmai jithei laka jithat ka hai akha leuli te leye chi winso chamroy itumui wang la sami ka hai ve kya shi khang yi itumui winso special appearance wi wang winso chamroy ari apamili pam te leye chena hiwi photo session hi kup chang ka hai wi chili winso chamroy li chakmai jithei lu shit ngai te leye kala isi president hiwi chi changli ali banglan ka tiang no Kasamirano, he is president la request sangai da leye Windsor Chamroy. Kala hi wichili, chi ngalan migai wichili. Thank you. Ning slagai re. Kala congratulations. Special number later, jen special number present saki kibing ungkui. And team na la ready sa mesalo Windsor Chamroy na stage likalaga PPA UT na ngran mi kahai ketiaw na mang salalang ngran mi kahai pangan hi kakakhui mirano Windsor Chamroy please Windsor Chamroy wang pang lagan na pemi serse ning share ning shlagere win so kala Mr. President. Ara itumna hita da zatama manda special number wivang ungkui kala team awi team li stage li welcome sadale. Mr. Ungkui and team, stage is yours. Chiwichi Jangli, ara speech wivang L. Robert Maitei, advisor to PPAUD na Adam Kuimira. Jingran mohunda lelega PPAUDW executive members bing na tum psychorally stage lining changda leye. Jena PPAUD executive kala members bing psychorana stage li kamiselo na tum lila chakmai jithei ngai da leye kala photo session wibang na tum lilang hoda leye PPAUDW executive president executive kala members bing psychora stage li khamilo da hoda kleine. Jena PPAUDW executive members bing stage li kamiselo. Please. Atam mashay kwai sa se Then PPAUD executive members being President Natalaga, Kodonga stage li kamirano. Ning shlakaire PPAUDW executive being natumna hita da lungsang lakai na atam kushok laga lan kushok laga hita da ngaran kami wawang program hi mapung phada lei kichi shan khulak da lei la lusi da executive being sai koro wang pang pang lakai na pemise ning shlakaire PPAUD maling maidano moho maidano itumwi special Ariwi item wivang ngaran hai daklay ungkui nasi wi team na ara atam kui mi haurono ungkui and team Hiwitili Women's Model Physique Competition wivang athletes ping nang ran mirano
cái hải mà mời con có cái con mặt hai thì đâu ý trên thái sao rồi tôi đã không có tâm đây tôi đã bảo tao rồi chỉ sao con đây là sao rồi làm sao nhưng mà yêu con thấy là mặt hai tôi bảo phục vụ cho con tôi đã thấy tôi đã không được sao mà mình
đôi xin các bạn hai quy song cái bèo nil ya song cái bèo nil tao số li ao thủy cơ va thara a si pa vuna amol soli hokka bai khui laga na phi thai da na bamza ishiba usashi ye chika ashiba na henmei xin các bạn hai quy song cái bèo nil ya song cái bèo nil kama sai là cái phani mong cái da tung đi ishi ba vui sa cái shi Ninga salu azu toyarona Lani wi kon gasang la nauji Sa ka rek sera Yang salu jilin na chi cao ra Khanga chi ka khaya la malay ma Gata ngalaunda ka nala nau da po shai nau ra ni kama sai la ga phani mong ga da tung li ishi ba wi sa ga shi
ning sila kay de ungkui antim nasina program hi shuru kui mita hiya ka yaru li lum laung sa kai juwang ning si pongshok de le PPA AUTV mohut sada mtun sada arui nasili ning si tui hang ka jipun mang maning la PPA UT na la na tumli shaker ka la t-shirt the banglan sangai de le jen ishiwi Vice President Mr. Khayin Rugui nana atam kui mirono jana ungkui wi team kala Sylvia wi team natum na stage li kamiselo ning snara ungkui and team kala Sylvia and team please natum li stage li kami khwai ngarai da si Vice President na Sylvia and team and ungkui and team please ungkui wi team le ramilo mia khana ka khui milo shabra ki kam dham re na chi team wi leader na chi team wi leader na ka khui milo ning shna re ara ungkui wi team Sylvia and team shi khui re ara ungkui wi team na shi na la ka khui milo na shi wi prize ngran mi het le ning shlagere isiwi vice president kala team khani na national la mathala ga na president sami ga juwang la dushi da ningi shipong shok dale ara speech wiwang isiwi advisor sami da klaya L Robert my daily Stacy midale jana sir nana adam khui milo
Okay, a very good afternoon to one and all. First of all, I would like to thank our respective chief guest, Dr. I.K. Muiva IPS, additional DGP, and to our guest of honor, Kasung Tennyson, President Tangkhul Naga Awungalong. As Rami Dakle, Katonga, in a personal enela, Masam Kapang, in a hui haika, and a hui hai. Tangkhul Ramli Dakle, CSOs, students' bodies, leaders, icha we platform li akabasa laka lead sami dakle, kathana akasa laka lead sami dakle, katongkali ning si haire, and to my 2 national judges and 1 state judges. In spite of the present issue of Manipur, traveling 84 kilometers from Imphal, they turn up here to witness this game. Not only to witness, to create a remarkable history that there is peace in Manipur. So this is an ample example that we could travel. And the peace and tranquility is being brought by the Tangkhul community. The long road being traveling from Imphal to Ukhrul to Imphal. Ning tharla kaina problem malay la kaina chat khangasap wivangay na Tangkhuli le dakle kathana katong kali heads of sir as we competition hilina na kha chief guest sami lo ne hai na chimang hang khreu ta without any hesitation he stood firm and says yes I'll be the chief guest isi katong kana khithe I maite naw ni maite naw salala akhwa phagazatli chief guest sami khwai phagazatli I have to knock 6-7 peoples and I have to wait for their outcomes. But Tangkhul Nawakana, without any hesitation, Maite Nawakana proposed Kasa Atamli, directly irare program chili I changre hang wivangena, Ning Sisi Haire, Sir Malay Salala, Yarikatongan Apangka, Pangda Kapimishe. Aina, Sir Ike Muiva Itum Ngazege, we discussed in his prime time, isi Sir Ike Muiva Hina, secondly Chatakleni, Manipur we Hak Mai Tui, Police Department we Angchaili. Discuss Kasa Athamli, he also promised me that if any Tangkhul athletes can get medal in international arena, Otpam state we Otpam Kamili, Anangachon mi lakre hangching aning haini. For that also let's give a big hand. Azza, taking the privilege, east, west, north, south, we student bodies are here. Tangkhul Ramna maximum number of sports organized saye. Chili in a request sangaye. Aina request tawjabashida mayamna yaning daradi lauthok piko. Maramdi yanglo RKL sports laidalay, Jigsaw sports laidalay, Zingtun sports laidalay, Katho sports laidalay, TKS sports laidalay. You include football, volleyball, every game. But why don't you include this bodybuilding game? It is my earnest request. If you include this game in your sports, I believe that there will be a transformation in our Naga community. Palala silala Naga we jatsa ka laidalay. Underwear masang sagnay mane hanglala, jean penenala, half penenala, rules aga semsok laka. ram we phasa matha mai thui khanga thak hi tada sa kha kyuwang na ram hi mang marai sangro he pom dak lei CSOs media we through in a pongai. And again, ayachang isi Ukhrul District Working Journalists Union with President Sir Lester Lee request kasani. Very sudden, nobody will accept. Kipa kana mam yagi kachi. Katata azwi program ayang ayahang paila. Masapay mne, but with his consideration, with his leadership, matun thapay na ana. Media team kup ra lakang ngachon mi khai wibangay na ning CCI re. Ay na isi 1 month back program ma ho program laka the Tangkhul Express come forward and says, Sir Robert, I will take the live video free of cost without any charges. Let's give a big hand. Aina, this is my sincere request and sincere appeal. I belong to Meitei community. I turn up here to earn. Paisatan kawai I Ukhruli kakani, mi kawai kakamaning mene. But ili Tangkhul nawa kana first ngachone amingji Pilazan of Tangkhul Sinaulong President Infal na ili first kangachon hogo bokay na as Ukhruli bodybuilding community hi ana ili kangachon ana ili ngachon out the inala again Tangkhul ngachon re na nganing titaw da awi mga ay na ihi as mga wagasapni he yaru ili hangaye mem biku thank you so much ana la ili tara kasi ngachon mi gahay ni as hi kangachon wiwangay na Tangkhul ram hi mathang rare habisi na paning kuye. And I cannot be a game changer. And whenever there is a problem, Tangkhul people use one words. Chingmi tami manadre hey Robert, nakoy ki tampak tadi akoy ki kanaba mayam loy na government na law kre hey. I don't know because I am not in politics. But in the field of sports, if you ask me disparity, Tangkhul macha suk phajaba se khandraga kamaina Meitei macha khanbano haiba mingda akhoi result se phajana tausi. Let us not be biased. How many Tangkhul athletes have represented Ukhrul in India, representing India, representing Manipur? What does it shows? It shows that there is no disparity. No disparity. Khetna ba amasu tamde. Akhoi ki haujik leibiri ba Oza Sunanta, General Secretary Amba, Oza Ratan, President, Mabani ki lamjik makhada, competition chatpa matamda khona Infal da hek yawa matamda, atopa district, Valley ki atopa district ta provision pide, Ukhrul ki district ki at least hek lakpa matamda, tum ningay, cha ningay, leipam, loina free the sinbiye, madu ki damakta Ambabu, kubak hau no kubishi mayamna. Thank you so much. And I believe Ari CSO mayam na yum da chakraga mathang chahi se sports mari manga leye TKS sports lay Tangkhul Mayang Lalong sports lay RKL sports lay. My request, bodybuilding is known as the father of all sports. Adudi the father of all sports loy kautho kharaga macha khakte yengbi budi tawgunu aduna aikhoi mayam su free da leibase irang phaba taragati situation compel oiba taragati national judge state judge lake you organize the program. We are more ready to sacrifice for the welfare of the Tangkhul community. Thank you all.
Hiya lung sang la kaina malung ding la kaina otsami da kleya itumui mi pinglining sang da shemi da kleya ach BBA UTW advisor la sami da kleya Mr. L. Robert Maideli that lushit da BBA UTW ningishi ki junga pongshok da leye na wi od manga sai korali itum na la katomra kala itum wi alai da kleya khnui thot bingli na shemi da klehi kachangkat so khming sarano na wi od manga wa mairano ki hila sa Robert Lee hang pun ngai da leye program hi katong kama pan sala la yang sonals bing le da kle na tum sai korana ning share na stage li kamilo Healthy Circle Foundation na thumri ashi wi banglan sangai da leye TKS katho TMNL na tum sai korana kamilo so atam mazang luila na tum na kamilo Tangkhul Sinaulong Ukhrul District Working Journalist, we ainala Camilo, Representative Aka, Mitia team being the Camilo. Tangkul le saglong la rahire. Kalaji atum kama mandalay laga, kari number MN06LB 0904 nawi kari hi kitiyo now side samilo kaji request sangay dalaye MN06LB 0904 na nakhawa ko ni shami dalaya ka akashida side samilo kari nawi kari hi ningshinara kangatay bing media bing lagamilo TDE. Okay, TDE when la kai re aka. Oh, nings la kai re. Healthy Circle Foundation.
About turn. Back post, the best back post. Flex. Relax. Face the judges. Step khani khunukli taulo. Judges will result yang au se. Come forward. Trunk number 16, thank you. Awivang apangpang da kaphe mise. Okay. Face the judges. All the judges give the ranking 1 to 5th. Front view. Front view. Flex. Relax. Quarter turn to the right. Flex. Relax. Quarter turn to the right. Flex. Relax. Quarter turn to the right. Flex. Relax. Face the judges. Mangawi mathamay thui. So your base front post. Flex. Relax. About turn. So your back base post. Flex. Relax. Face the judges. Step mati khunugli taulo. Cue music ready. Cue music ready. Cue music ready. 1 minute. Trunk number 12 at the center of the stage. Your time starts now.
Нашла стайл, бабки, иномарки. Я хедлайнер на пьянке.
Классно, когда бабки существуют на карте. Нескончаемо пишем песни, и над вами мы угораем. Не стесняйся, если в клубе сгораешь. Бичес хотят, но почему-то скрывают это. Я не могу уже, так хочется взять ее. Губками тянется ко мне. Блонды и брюнеты.
Relax. Trunk number 13 at the center of the stage.
Блонды и брюнетки.
Okay. Trunk number 14, please come forward. Thank you. Trunk number 15, please come forward. Your time starts. Чипали хосопра?
Когда бабки существуют на карте, нескончаемо пишем песни, над вами мы угораем. Блонды и брюнетки, мне не важно, наш лайфстайл. Бабки, иномарки, я хедлайнер на пьянку. Классно, когда бабки существуют на карте, нескончаемо пишем песни, над вами угораем.
Trunk number 13, come forward. Give the ranking. Ranking miao lo. Anatomical front view sa se front view. Flex. Relax. Quarter turn to the right. Flex. Icha icha with trunk number 1 mi pai. Relax. Quarter turn to the right. Muscles, quality, skin tone, figures. Relax. About turn. So your best back pose. Icha icha with number. Relax. Go back and join the line. Cue music, stop. Is the result ready? I would like to call on stage President Healthy Circle Foundation on the stage to honor third, fourth, and fifth placed. Icha icha we position kwa kui milo according to your serial number. Isi stage marshal atung lika milakha adjust sa migi gichi. And Brother Remarks, I would like to call you on stage to get ready with your food supplement. Fifth place goes to trunk number. Trunk number. Fifth place goes to trunk number 17, Ronrun Muiwo of Halang Village. Class 10, students of Ukhrul Public School. Please receive the case certificates. Food supplement from Rimath Maibam, proprietor, Q Fuel House. A quality brand that cannot be uncompromised. Thank you. Fourth place goes to trunk number 14, Chingmila Hongchui of Pauri Village, a student of class 11 from Little Angels. Please. Food supplement sponsored by Rimath Maiban, proprietor, Q Fuel House, one of the best quality brand. Thank you. Fourth place on this way. For Chingmila in the extreme corner. 14, extreme corner. Trunk number 14, Chingmila extreme corner. Third place goes to trunk number 15, Pila Yangya of Pauri Village, a student of class 11 from Little Angels. President Healthy Circle Foundation, please do the honor. Pila. Every athlete can choose SureTech Nutrition with a good discount. Thank you in the extreme corner over there. I would like to call on stage Hunpun we awungali stage li kakami kabai Kayai wo HA to honor the second place. Please come forward, number 12 and 13. Trunk number 12 and 13. Achakum we champion in trunk number 13. Can she make it today or not? Yarwi katong kana. Trunk number 12 and 13. Ani khani hi Miss India la participate sagai etlida khani. Second place goes to trunk number 13, Chingri Khapai of Kazipung. Haiche Khayaiwo, Awunga of Hunpun Village, will do the honor. Food supplement sponsored by Rimath Maibam, proprietor Q Fuel Nutrition. Chingri is the brand ambassador of SureTech Nutrition, sponsored by Rimath Maibam. The new champion of the year 2025 Women's Model Physique goes to trunk number 12, Laisimi Rahing of Sangsak Village. So I would like to call on stage Satsang Construction proprietor. Please do the honor. As we ngala now we all the amount is being sponsored by Satsang Foundation Construction.
Don't beat yourself up, no need to run so fast. Sometimes we come last, but
Isi sa thot mayala atungka ka trophy chi nani kanina hand over sa mi ko pai.
no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up. No, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I'll keep on making those new mistakes. I'll keep on making them every day. Those new mistakes.
Okay,
Try everything.
let's give a big hand. We have a new champion of the year 2025. Ngala na katong ka mangali kami lo. Isi we food supplement laka kui milo. Leisi mina ala once upon a time SureTech Nutrition with brand ambassador Sasai. Okay, all the ladies please come forward. Stage Marshal naka eren sa milo. Sir, ngala na abu buri bu apangsing laka kakang kami se. Nupi mayam yukut kar pai biyo. Remarks kut kar pai bi se. Remarks na sop chat piro.
I always get enough, see what's next. Words don't
Awu nga nala apang. Okay, let's give a big hand. Thank you. The first position step back, others you may go.
without getting it wrong. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again.
Winner single. Look at here. Ali yang milo, laisi mi. Laisi mi wi simkur lai ka kamilo. Chinaw ngara simkur awi oza. Ay na ngaso kaka. Hi ari in Fali. Jimma ka wi trainer sa ta pamdak laini. Laisi mi. Rahing. Laisi mi, anyone from your family? Laisi mi wi ngasot now. Simkur. Atung li ka kamilo.
With love, baby, you've done enough. Take a deep breath. Don't beat yourself up. No need to run so fast. Sometimes we come last, but we did our best. I won't give
First post camera li yang milo namang. Laisi mi.
till I reach the end, and then I'll start again.
Now family.
No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up. No,
Let's give a big hand. Come on.
till I reach the end.
Thank you so much.
No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I'll keep on
Ning shlagay re judges being
those new mistakes.
program hi zadamamanda ara arichang itumna women's model physique competition khayang samphangai re kala kipana yui thei re new champions being 2025 we new champions being itum khayang samphangai re ara program hi zadamamanda special number wiwang Mr. Jackie Chan yumnam na dam kuimira I would like to request Mr. Jackie Chan to take his time for the special number. Yari sai ko na Mr. Jackie Chan legi shizada bang panglakan ng pemise. Mr. Jackie Chan, stage is yours. Jiwi chili anang ngaran mohunda leilaga senior men's bodybuilding competition li zangi ki athletes ping na khangran samirano senior men's bodybuilding competition right after this. ningslagay Mr. Jackie Chan. Yaru sai corona li legi pong chok sa da bang bang lage pe mi se Mr. Jackie Chan nei ji. Mr. Jackie Chan na perform sami kai ju wang ningslagay re ara mi akakhani kalahili ina mi pasok mi gi ja khalai le ye akakhani li presentation mi ngai de le ye chena ningishi kachung ka pong shok ishi PPAUD we shong ena dialogue media kala TTE ajewi live coverage sami da kle TTE aina ajewi photography ka dong ka yang sang mi da kle dialogue media na ni shi li ning shi ka jung ka phong ka shok ena so da ishi na Banglan ka dia nong sangai da le ye jena PPAUD nang ran mi ka hai Banglan ji dialogue media we aina ra da kle bing kala TTE wen na shi tim ka dong ka na ka la ka issue we Banglan hi isi president wena khang ran khui mirano Mr. President na ran mirano Banglan je dialogue media wen ra da klebing kala DDE we members ping na tum saikora kagamilo stage li yaru saikor na bang pemise hi dialogue media we members ping ne atum nei tumli ari amuk tong kha yatum na kapi da khle ne chuwang ning shi social media platform ni hiya ka chuilak en khangak miwang dialogue media li la dushi da ning shi pongshok da le TDE we members ping na tum na la khaka khwi milo TDE we members ping bang pemise se TDE members ping wang TDE we members being na live coverage sami laga itum we event hi heli marang rumber la laida khlebing we wang la the hita the coverage sami da leye asili la ning shi phong shok chungka sadali PPA UT we shongai na ning shla kai re PPA UT we presidently kala dialogue media aina TDE we members being psychorally ning share ara jiling soda Mr. President na matarang laka hili aka itumwi judges pingli atang panglan me mirang ai chena atumli mi khwai ina avava hangdami ke now we will also like to introduce and show the faces of our judges atang la hang mere ka sala ari la hang milira khresa da itumwi judge himati leida khreina ajahi khresa da ina we would like to invite Ibrahim Mujibur, Ifam Mujibur Rahman, please on the stage. So we would like to present a small token to Sir Mujibur. Secondly, Lei Chanpam, Oja Lei Chanpam, Kakanyali Oja Lei Chanpam nala kamirano Oja Lei Chanpam.
Something we have no control over, and that's what destiny is. But no more worries, rest your head and go to sleep. Maybe one day we'll wake up and this will all just be a dream. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright.
Hi Ojale Jampam ne Kakathumali L. Robert Maite advisor la Saye Ishibibia UT Wikala Acha Anala Church Akasami da Klene Oja Robert
Mama's gonna be alright. It's funny, I remember back one year when daddy had no money. Mommy wrapped the Christmas presents up in
Sir Robert Nalakamira no
some of them were from me, cause daddy couldn't buy them. I'll
Sir
never
Robert
forget that Christmas. I sat up the whole night crying, cause daddy
Chiwichili
felt like a bum. See, daddy had a job, but
Quir Raisang Jingkai
food on the table for you and mom. And at the time, every house that we lived in either kept getting broken,
Quir Raisang Jingkai
shot up on the block, and your mom was saving money for
Kala Jiling Soda Acha
started piggy bank.
Ranye Hiwi Kangachang se Hasami Gida Clay Reverend Yashi Kangia Reverend Nimle Kamrang Assistant Pastor UPC Nala Mangalika Laga PPA UT Nang Ran Mighai Panglandika Kwimira no President Upangwena
One bedroom apartment, and dad moved back to the other side of 8 Mile on Novara, and that's when daddy went to California.
Jiling Soda Itumli Matalakaina entertain Sami Gahaya special number present Sami Gahaya Mr. Jackie Chan la presentation wiwang Mangalika Mirano Panglan Gitiano Sangay Dele Mr. Jackie Chan
I'm just sorry you were there and had to witness it firsthand, cause all I ever wanted to do was just make you proud. Now I'm sitting in this empty house, just reminiscing, looking at your baby pictures. It just trips me out.
Ocha Naga Mirano
It's almost like your sisters now. Wow, Daddy's still here. Laney, I'm talking to you too. Daddy's still here. I like the sound of that chair. It's got a ring to it, don't it? Shh, Mama's only gone for the moment. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen that up, pull it up, little lady. I told ya, Daddy's here to hold ya through the night. I know Mommy's not here right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. We might seem a little
Ning Shlagere. Thank you.
Mama's gonna be alright.
I would like to request all the judges, along with the president, to take, for a photo session. Photo. Yaru sai corona tu mang pang pe mi se. Aja wo mshun mukhui saklak ani yang mi dak leji atum na lage. Thank you for taking the trouble. Ning slagai re ara kanawa sada aja we event hi senior men's bodybuilding competition ne. Ara athletes ping na ngaranai re da shitsange senior men's bodybuilding competition. To proceed on with this, I would like to once again request all our churches to take their seat for the final competition. For final the competition of this Mr. Ukhrul Bodybuilding Model Physique Championship 2025. 10 judges being na Adam Kwimioro Abam Kwimioro. So I would like to now hand over the mic to the judges.
Senior athletes, Stage Master Nakathan Kamilo. Senior athletes. As a event, he could create the best poser competition later. La aina nga soda muscle flexing mathamai thui pa jili. Best poser with title mire. Aina entertain samai thui mathamai thui pa jili la entertainer of the day chila mire. Senior athletes. Stage Marshal, Yurikan Sisak, Soyachon, Lungharwo, nga Katan Kam Yaulo. Sir, top 5. We will select the top 5. Avu introduce Samige. Trunk number 4, Misab Kapai of Humbung village. Trunk number 26, Horngam Sang Chipang of Ukhrul. Trunk number 25 na hili karamilo. Trunk number 25, Ramnganing A Sipo, Sangsak Kulen. Trunk number 27, Ungretei Lungharwo of Lunghar village. Trunk number 28, Amung MK of Maileng village. Trunk number 29, R Kasungmi Jimik Chikziroi CV. Trunk number 30, Yurngachan Longbi village. Judges mayamna top 5 can be never ningsing jari. All the athletes face the judges. Anatomical assessment, front view, flex. Relax. About turn. Back view, flex. Relax. About turn. Compulsory poses. Front double bicep. Flex. Relax. Second pose. Front leg spread. Flex. Relax. Next pose, side chest with your hamstring and calf. Flex. Relax. Next pose, side tricep with your calf and hamstring. Flex. Relax. About turn. Pull your calf muscles and hamstring. Flex your back double bicep. Flex. Relax. Next pose. Back leg spread. Flex. Relax. About turn. Abdominal with your calf and thigh muscles. Flex. Relax. Last pose, your favorite pose, muscular pose. Flex. Relax. Go back and make a line. Okay. Hilila judge we ang chai lila katio ka difference le yai Trunk number 25 come forward. Trunk number 26 come forward. Trunk number 29 come forward. Judges, please select anyone. Judges, please select anyone. Only 4 compulsory poses. Front double bicep. Flex. Relax. Any side chest. Flex. Relax. About turn. Pull your calf muscles and show your back double bicep. Flex. Relax. About turn. Abdominal with your calf and thigh muscles. Flex. Relax. Thank you. Go back and join the line. Aruila judge kathum mangrai chamane. Judge Abu Vuribna, 25 please come forward. 26 please come forward. 29 please come forward. Judge Abu Vuribli ina Abu Vu kapangkui lo gangchi Abu Vu kapangkui kaini. So I'm confused. Are we suffer? So are we change the direction? You go that way? Nana centrally ram yaulo. Our position change. Front double bicep. Flex. Relax. Side chest. Flex. Relax. About turn. Back double bicep. Flex. Relax. Last pose. Abdominal with your calf and thigh muscles. Flex. Relax. Go back and join the line. The selected athletes for the final round. Kaning Rai Chaire. Trunk number 4, please come forward. Trunk number 27, come forward. Trunk number 27, come forward. Trunk number 28, come forward. Trunk number 29, come forward. 29, come forward. 30, come forward. And those behinds, please test Marcel Laka Kujang Miaulo. Hard luck, better luck next time. Let's give a big hand. Ichai Chow with space Quilo. He will result out Masarang Laka, best poser being with athletes Ngaranaulo. First post. Front double bicep. Flex. Relax. Second pose. Front leg spread. Flex. Relax. Side chest with the hamstring and calf. Flex. Ichai Chow with number Vaupai. Relax. Side tricep. Flex. Relax. About turn. Back double bicep. Flex. Relax. About turn. Sorry. Back leg spread. Flex. Relax. About turn. Abdominal with your calf and thigh muscles. Flex. Relax. Last pose, muscular pose. Flex. Relax. All the athletes, go back and make a line. Arui judges khani we were middle judges akava check sangai fu yang dale. Trunk number 4 and trunk number 27 come forward. Arui 7 poses. Okay. Judge alung thung pa chili yang lo. Judge alung thung pa chili ana yengi ke chini. 7 poses. Front double bicep. Flex. Relax. Next. Front leg spread. Flex. Relax. Side chest with your calf and hamstrings. Flex. Relax. Next pose. Side tricep. Flex. Relax. About turn. Pull your calf muscles. Flex your glutes. Back double bicep. Flex. Relax. Next, back leg spread. Flex. Relax. About turn. Abdominal with your calf and thigh muscles. Flex. Flex. Release. Relax. Last pose. Muscular pose. Alung thung pa chili yang milo judge. Relax. Go back and join the line. Resolve iwili layaire. Chingrai mamanda best poser bing line ling aning milo. Stage marshal na. Cue music la ready sa milo. Best poser best posing competitions. Sagi ke chinyarui. Isi best poser nangrai mamanda. Trunk number 4, please come forward. Center of the stage. Cue music. Thank you. Trunk number 27 at the center of the stage.
This is the end. Hold your breath and count. Feel the earth move and then hear my heart burst again. For this is the end. I've drowned and dreamt this moment, so overdue. I owe them. Swept away, I'm stolen. Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall, face it all.
Thank you. Trunk number 28, please come forward. Cue music, please. Thank you. Trunk number 29, please come forward.
Italy the maid, fat cigars, pull up like a shade, chauffeured cars, tailor suits, lakhan de pair. I'm a motherfucking millionaire. Foreign the deals, mote dinars, I got dirty money, superpowers, munda rare, karda nahi care. I'm a motherfucking millionaire. Italy the maid, fat cigars, pull up like a shade, chauffeured cars, tailor suits, lakhan de pair. I'm a motherfucking millionaire. On the top the brand ag lagi hoyi stocks to. Red Bull naal galasi khamba lage mere thoughts to. 10 saal ho gaya aj vi ona de zain ch me rent free. Pole dance roz mein karaunda below ungla de ops to.
Okay, thank you. Trunk number 30.
I wanna hold 'em like they do in Texas, please. Fold 'em, let 'em hit me, raise it, baby.
Okay, thank you. Be there. All the best posers, please come forward. On the stage, all the best posing competition. Here we mangaling aning milo. Okay. Best poser hi mi kathumang la. Solo. Three of you. Step back. Katyo ka step back salo. Okay. Trunk number 1 at the center of the stage. Cue music. 1 minute freestyle pose. As yarui ka tong khana yeng milo 1 5 10 19 hina competition khani sa dak leini akhana yarui li entertain ka sa ar akhana best poser India liver o ka three liver best poser hi laiye chuwanga na art of flexing muscles china best poser but yarui na muscle flex sa mamanda entertain hina entertainer of the day chuwi award langaran mi dalai sina trunk number 5 center of the stage. One peanut, one whey, one multiple. Thank you. Trunk number 10, please come forward. Cue music. Ana music summit masaka ichai with music normal na music kong migi gichi. Thank you. Trunk number 19 at the center of the stage. Music. Thank you. I would like to call on stage Nimi A. Simre. Please be on stage. Be on stage. The best entertainer of the day goes to trunk number. Best entertainer of the day. Trunk number 5. Please take the case, give a presentation. 7,000-8,000 we give some pangaini. Thank you. The best poser of the year 2025 goes to trunk number 19 Pautam Vasum of. Please accept a token of love. Thank you. Nimi, you be there for a while. Remove the tracksuit. I would like to call on stage as a present of love from the Fit Tangkul community. Oza Kisanbu mathakta lengkat binaba Fit Tangkul dagi akoina tracksuit. Ozagi damaktasu tamzage. International judge. Next, I would like to call on stage Brother Jameson, National Judge. Akoigi Fit Tangkul team dagi tracksuit ama pijage. Akoigi National Judge plus coach who have trained many medalists in international arena and national arena. Next, I would like to call on stage Oza Ipam Mazibur, the first among the Meitei Pangalt to be national judge in IBBF. Fit Tangkul, itum liva masampang mane, itum va Tangkul ramli pamauda, Tangkul ramli makapam. Lastly, isi Sir Samson va Marathure, Sir Samson we now merina, kakui milo Fit Tangkul weena. Isi we Sir Samson li isi na CAOWTR li aka mingay dali. Ning CCIRE, thank you so much. All the entertainer as well as the best poser, you may get down. prior to result, there is some
Ningsh lagaire judges bingli ara judges bing na mark jit dali sam hundale lega vote of thanks mara chawrong lega RKL we president ni le introduce sangai lu shit le RKL we president na sorry representative na panglan ga khui mira no Mr. President issue president na RKL we representative bingli panglan mira no RKL representative, please come. National rak dom kami wang ning shla kai re. Yaru sai korona abang phemi se. Ning shla kai re. Kala hi gugup mishida. Ning gishidui pongshok hawai. Kuira kayin rugui. Vice President to PPAUD na Adam Kui Mirano. Stage Lee Kayin na Adam Kui Miranara.
Hello. Program hi success akang sakiri. Ishi Bodybuilders Association na ningashi Adam kashina ka kuishoke. Kare sada na thumna thaiser drakai nei program hiri rangrom mi drakai issue chief case ai na case of honor kare sada ningashi mingai issue program ani na rangrom mi da rum na phu pai na hopok mi raka program hi success sang sakre juwang ani ri kare sada ningashi mingai kare sada ka khne sada arwe issue program ka shema tamri idea itumri idea input samiraka hiwatre nga thor nga zin nga ya ma khaira itumri phone sararaka idea itumri input samiraka issue association ni program hi success sakhang sak issue advisor khani khare sada Sir Robert Leishangthem kala ka khne sada Mr. Kuire Somatai Shaiza aniri ning shimingai issue PPAUD we aina Kakutuma sada hiri later kai ku kong nai kaniwi awunga aniri va sambang raka program hi organize ya da sangai hi da later gajitharan anina akui avu sada ka katong kha athumui aniwi kushok ka pai nga chon mi ka pai aina nga chon mi ka program hi success akhang sakne chu wangai na Anila issue hunpun we headman kala humpum we headman aniri issue PPAUD we matunai na ning shimingai dre kala hiwi program ka shem hiri itumui finance ra traka zangai finance ring a chon khai matai rak khai khani kathum ina hiri aming pan ngai khare sada issue we Ambrose we proprietor Mr. Shangam Allah Arining Shimingai Kakane Sada Shatsang Construction we proprietor Mr. Tungyang Wong Shatsang Ning Shimingai Kakutuma Sada Healthy Circle Foundation we president Mr. Kainting AS Nala Ning Shimingai Ara Jui Tungri Aru Hirimang Rumratura Maning Anba NHITCL we engineer and junior bodybuilding we cash prize here and sponsor sakamine ala ning shimingai kala ara matai ra kaina issue we cash prize pa maningra issue we category ka tong khawi wang kachung khaina ngachon mi khai nutritionist issue we nutrition phasa matha khabai khangreu atamre itumui nutrition hi mazang ra masa pai mane Jana hidi issue Theophil. I would really like to take out the time to thank the proprietor, proprietor of Theophil House, Mr. Ribach Maibam, for your immense contribution in this competition. Kala arui itum arui oktot itum oktui drakhe atam hi computer world ri ok thui tra khai nei ithum mi ping ko tong hana phone sing rock sarai de ithum pau ng yaw khawai ithum tangkhul naw ping ri pau ng yaw khawai tangkhul naw ukru mang ni pam tra khai mani mane ayali bangalore li tel hi ri ayali ko chung ha pam tra khai nei hiping hilla ithum na pau wa shung khawai da ithum ri hakra kai na contribute sami tra khai dialogue media kala tte pashi anishi group khani hilla ningkashi jangkhat isi ppa tiu yaina ningkashi hi mingai ara tamamanda ithumui government ni shong akhwa sami government ni shong re dang ningna mi khai ithumui khyashi kapai honorable ex minister Mr. Kashim Vashum kala honorable MLA ramnga ningmui ba anina hiri marasang rasala aniwi financial support kala inputs ati anina issue association ri miungda mirada aniri arui atam hi ningkashi khamisa da isi ppa de aina phongshok le ke ji hangai kala arui hiri ningkashi mi khwai ke ji tharan ka chung khale ina amingai na mapan ri ke CSOs katongka na thumla ningshi ka changkhatar ko ke he PBA tu yaina ningshi midle event partners ping hiril mi ai rakhai ping kala DLOs ministry secretary pam rakhai aroi office ri pam rakhai psycho ro DLOs ping na thumna contribution financial support mi ai rakhai psycho ro ping la ningshi ka changkhatar ko ke he PBA tu yaina mingai dre Kanawa sada matai mai thui gaje aju competitor athletes ping hiri champion we ning chuk sangmi tra khai hi matai mai thui da ning shi mi khangai hi nathum audience ping re nei nathum na audience ping nathum ping hi na ngahan hiri rasang raka nathum na competitors ping hiri champion aka circle da nathum na support rasa khami oi bang nathum psychologically PBA tu mathunai na ningshi ka changkhatar kho ka hi hangraka ngasamau kai thank you
Okay. A result out Wivang, I would like to call on stage Reverend Nimlai Khamrang, Assistant Pastor UBC, to do the honor for the 5th placed. Reverend Nimlai Khamrang, Assistant Pastor UBC, to honor the 5th placed. 5th placed goes to trunk number. Any guess? Trunk number 30, Yurngachan, Longbi. Yurngachan from Longbi village. Remarks my bamna. Photo session. I would like to call on stage Kisan Nepram, international judge, to honor the 4th place for this senior category. 4th place goes to trunk number 29. R. Kasungmi Zimik Chingjiroi CV. To honor the 3rd place, I would request the General Secretary of TKS, Sanning Thingmaya. Third place goes to trunk number 28. Sir, ayon ka atung kamilo, result out declared sakabay.
Trunk number 27 and trunk number 4, please come forward. I need a vote from the audience. Second place goes to... Second place goes to trunk number... Once more. Second place goes to trunk number 4. Second Mr. Yukrul goes to trunk number 27.
All the athletes, please come forward. Mangali kha kamilo. Athletes katong kha.
Best hack to elevate.
Apang khang kamilo. Apang sing rock so. Apang sing rock lo. Apang, please. Apang khang ka se. Thank you. The winners step back for the photo session. Before we do the photo session, I would like to call on stage Oza Ipam Mazibur for his dignified resilience for the welfare of this Ukrul bodybuilding. We'll do the honor. Let's give a big round of applause. Hi kukreo da umrethei si wisim kur chinaungara oja changka kha atung milo family photo session. Umrethe, please come forward. Only the champion, Sir Jameson. And all the other contestants, you may go. Family being a tungkha kamilo, simkur, chinaungra, ramnao, oza. ungrai the akasi post for the newspaper.
Legacia Aja second Mr. Cruel Bodybuilding and Model Physics Championship 2025 li Rakatomi Gahaya program hi mapungphang sakai na thum psycho li ning shili shithaire Aja we Kanawa competition senior men's bodybuilding competition we result declare Sami Haira kala winner itum theira Mr. Ungrai Thai na champion creator ya ru psycho li la du shita ning shie ke hi phongshok ta leye mang chang sang chau rong la ka ajewi sound system sing me the claiming live sounds Mr. Majinmi we team live sounds lila PPA UTW ningishi Kuchunga phongshok da leye ning shla gaire live sounds pashin da hita da sound system bedong hi mapung phala gaina hita da organize sala gaina sak miwang na shilila BPA UTW ning shi kuchunga phongshok da leye hi ko ko mushida arai thumai program hi hina kupsang ka hai sao kupsang haura Jaina hi ko ko mushida photo session hi ko ko mushida closing prayer wibang Reverend Nimley Kamrang assistant pastor UBC na adam khui mirano ning shila gaira yaru saikora na tum saikora li ning shilu shidaira ara ojana adam khui midai thumai closing prayer sound system akshida oja sound system wibang ojana adam khui miaro no
Yari Saigor and Ningase, let us all rise up. Sok mi kwing room say. Kasak va rivra na maningla na mazangla og tuili tumna kika sagatuk malay mane. Itumle mirin kamatala na kamine, pasa kamatala na kamine, itumi pasa hi, nawi mangla terapam kafaine dahange. Rivrana na Tangkul Bodybuilders Association Pashok Sakta Achikum Nana second Mr. Cruel competition Mabung Halage na Kwikang Sakai Javang Ningshlake Long Nawi Thana Bingli Nana Tangkame Orsang Milaga Achi Nana Itumle Mighai Lanhi Kathada Itum na Shichin Laga Itum pasam thada hailaga itumi society la itumi yul itumi church la shamga bayrak la gje shurkhui kang sak chawang ning shie long hi we thana bingle nana somi dari lord manga wa mai khada sachap khawai ke somi long kala je og twina hithada itum body building hili sakla ke na khuilaga achi national level international level Maholak kena julak kena thak khui ga sa da itumi khnui thot bing laga jigthan level likak shaba miawang sang sak pilo hi da ga chawi kir pha khui laga aj khnui thot ga chung na ga chawi phasa sashiman laga kala ga chawi phasa area raili kamathang kamrangli shijin wai dak lai hi phasa mathala kena phayok laga nongram sham ga kali society sham ga kali shuru khui shab khawai ki so milo Society tum psycho rila nana ninka kokayang sada higda ka pawat ka sahili ka dom shap khawai nana ka somilo achu program nana somida mabung phala ke na gupsang sakai jawang ning shila khaire arano wisok mene tum di chomilo chishu mingle siasa da sok mig bone amen